Hi, my name is Gallegos, and this is my session 2 response video to my nonprofit course. And I will be selecting to pose as a board or trustee member of the Hershey Trust and their dilemma with potentially buying Cadbury. And so, just to give some background as a trustee member or board of a company, the role for that is really plays a big part in pretty much all big decisions that are made for any type of organization or company. So when companies want to buy each other, or if a company wants to change their direction of what kind of route that they're looking to make as a company, it's important to have a board of trustee members that can come together collectively, put their brains together, mash their opinions together, and ultimately come out with a decision. So in this case, with Hershey potentially thinking of buying Cadbury, so there are some ups and downs and to this decision, which ultimately Hershey does not end up making a counteroffer to Cadbury, which I think was the right route to go because there were too many ethical and financial factors that would have hit Hershey a little too hard. So, just to give a little more context, Hershey had been struggling with revenue and was kind of at a stagnant place. And so, when this opportunity came in, it was intriguing to a board member or a trustee to right away make an offer. However, there were some things to consider, such as Hershey knew that the law would not permit them to sell the company, but they instead could buy Cadbury by placing a counter offer at the time. And so with this, there's nothing wrong with this, but when looking at the financials, and what would have to go into that is basically Hershey would have to take a decline on a lot of different things, such as the company's credit ratings, and stock price would make a decline. It would raise the cost of future borrowing and hurt profits. So there were a lot of kind of bad check marks that would be thrown into this deal if they were to make this offer. Um, and not only that, just within the company, there was a lot of disagreements that were kind of going on between board members and the company itself. And um, I guess as a trustee, when making a big decision like this and trying to make your company bigger and you're trying to make more money, you have to understand that it's not always about just making money. Is this something um, that is in support of our views and what our mission statement is as a company and what we're trying to do? Sometimes taking a step back and looking at the core objectives of the company. Is this something that's going to harm us? Are we a company that is able to sit and decline for years and years to come? Are we a company that can bring someone else in and still create a universal culture? All these things need to be taken into consideration with doing this. And so, as far as my vote, as I mean, just like any or the one of the most basic concepts in business is, high risk, high reward. Is it risky to make a decision like this? Very, and could have the benefits been very good for Hershey? Absolutely. The company to go forward with the deal was Kraft, and yes, they later became largely and internationally one of the biggest companies ever in that industry. So if Hershey's able, or if Hershey wanted to take that risk and do that and kind of go all in and say this is the only route that we really have, or we're going to stay under at this point, then that would probably be the only means. But other than that, those are some of the ethical and financial factors that you need to take into consideration, and all those things need to be. You can't just pick one or the other, but making sure that money is not the main focus is probably the biggest thing. And there were a lot of negative things financially, and so that's why for me I voted no for um, placing that counteroffer to Cadbury.